Good morning. I am Tamara Espinoza from Carmel Valley Middle School, and I'm here to talk about the browser versus the app. So currently I'm in my classes and I am on the browser. I'm on the internet. So looking at my classes, maybe I want to have a document that I want to edit, but it's a little bit harder on the browser. On the browser, I kind of want to print it out, do it on a piece of paper, load it up, take a picture. Or I can have an app that I can write on PDFs with. That would work too. But if I go to the Classwork app is something you download. So I'm opening up my classes in the Classroom app instead. Then it makes documents writable. That's going to really help me if I have something like a touchscreen Chromebook, or if I have an iPad or even my phone. I can write right on my documents. So I'm a lucky person. I'm a student in Miss Stengel's Math A Skills class. Okay, the app's a little different. It has its Classwork stream people down low instead of up high. I can adjust to that. So I'm going to go to her classwork, and I'm looking at my homework I have to do. Back to homework. Oh, okay, homework 1.1a. And I'm going to grab my document, my PDF. And now, because I'm on the app and not the browser, I can write on it. See, I have a pen, so I can edit the document once it doesn't have an error for the loading. Let me see. If I scroll up, I can draw. Woohoo. Now, wait, you have to be careful. That's what I just did right there. If you touch it with your finger, you are going to draw on it. Oh, there we go. Okay. So now I can actually sit there and do it. You flipped a coin 50 times and you got 23 heads. What is the experimental probability of getting heads? So I have to do my success, 23 over, and here, when I pushed the pin, it shrunk down, but that's okay. Don't go on the white part. Go on the dark part. You put your hands together and make it bigger, just like you would on a phone or something. I would go 23 over 50. Okay? Based on your flips for number one, if you flipped the coin 100 times, how many heads would you expect to get? Well, I have to think. 23 out of 50 is equivalent to 46 out of 100. Okay, so let's say I did all my homework. I didn't. I just did 2 problems. But down here, I could erase if I want. I can highlight. I can type. You can still type. Now I want to save. So save. This is a little floppy disk. That's kind of weird. It's a floppy disk. Okay, back in the day, we had to put like disk into our computer to save things. So you're like, why is that the save button? Because the people that made this program are old, like me. Haha. Okay, so here it's saved. And then I have to remember, so it's already in there. I have to remember to turn it in. So I'm going to go and turn it in. Okay, so now it's turned in. Once you turn it in, you can't edit it anymore because now the teacher has it. The teacher has to look at it. But if I look, my work's there. I'm good. That's what I turned in. I'm happy with that. And then I can go back to my classroom and I'm done. So if you want something that's just writable, saves automatically, don't have to go to Drive, upload it, all that, using the app is where you want to go. Okay, I hope that's a good little tech tip for you, and I will talk to you later. Bye.